Hi, this is Dan with QT Equipment. I wanted to alert you to a change that was picked up by Kevin in quality. Everybody should have a Kevin in quality at their company. I'm glad that we have a Kevin in quality. He makes sure that things are 100% before they leave. He noticed this week that on the Boss BA440 air compressor, they made a change on their air filters. This is the first version of the air filter, and this is a plastic canister. Works fine, but it is a little delicate to get apart. And then the other issue with this is you got to make sure that you don't line up the tab with where it looks like it should go. You should offset it. This is the correct way to put it together. Another thing about this was originally you couldn't buy just the element. You had to buy the whole thing. Boss has made a change, and this is the new metal canister that's coming out. It is only about $5 more a piece, and this is June of 2024, so prices always change and they usually go up, but it's not that much more money. It is also quieter. It's got a muffler at the bottom, and you can retrofit this metal canister onto a unit that has the plastic canister. You're not going to be able to buy this anymore. You will be able to buy just the element, and it's the same element for both filters. And you can buy this if you want to get rid of your plastic. And this is a nice upgrade from Boss. Thank you, Boss. Thanks for doing this. If you want to watch the full BA440 video, some of that information is going to be out of date now because you know about the new canister, but the rest of the information should be good. We're going to link to that. These need changed approximately every 6 months, and that's going to depend on how much you use it and how dusty your environment is. Make sure you also change your oil about 6 months on that too. We've got a full breakdown of maintenance on BA440 inside that video. Check that out, and check us out on Instagram at QT Equipment. We're building cool stuff on a regular basis, and when we build cool stuff, we try to post it to the gram so you guys can enjoy. More big work truck walk around videos are coming soon, I promise you. This is an Eat Your Vegetables video. Do your maintenance. Your compressor will thank you, and work dirty, be happy. Until next time.